Hey, my name is Edwin, and I'm one of the co-founders of Syndr AI. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the platform and how Syndr AI can help with marketing on Reddit. So it's a bit of a background, why Reddit? Well, Reddit is prioritized in many keywords where it's even outranking established businesses within the organic search engine results page. So here we can see for the query Seattle house cleaners, it's literally ranking number one above established businesses like this one and even Yelp. It also, Reddit is a really high trust environment with like crowdsourced answers. So the buyers that come from there trust it more than other review sites. Reddit also serves as LLM training data, and it even had 1.3 billion visits alone from Google back in April. So high volume, outranking other established sites, and it's also pretty easy to hijack and get traffic from. So definitely don't want to miss out on Reddit. Now, some Reddit challenges people tend to run into pretty quickly is that it's hard to find relevant opportunities. Reddit is really big, which is amazing, but it's hard to find the exact opportunities to comment on. Comments also get removed, so posts on Reddit are generally moderated, and there are these people called moderators, which, as the name implies, they basically review posts, review comments, and they have the power to delete comments. So if it's too spammy or if it just doesn't fit with the thread, they have the power to do this. Also, each subreddit has their own bespoke set of rules, as we can see here. Here's just like a screenshot from one of them with this like huge laundry list of requirements. So it's hard to get started and maintain campaigns consistently without getting banned. Now, how Syndr AI helps solve this. So first of all, we have a pool of high karma accounts to comment from that we maintain that our users can leverage in their campaigns. It's Syndr AI at its core is custom monitoring software built for finding these relevant opportunities. And we monitor threads that are already ranking on Google and the ones that are new as they come in, so we never miss a relevant opportunity. So here are some screenshots. We're going to jump in the software right this moment, but here in my own business, we have leads that come to us looking to book where they first hear about us on Reddit. So it just goes to show like how impactful of a lead source this is. Now we are in the Syndr AI dashboard, and here we're going to be looking at an example cleaning business. Syndr AI works for many different business types, not just local service businesses, but also software business, e-commerce, and more. But in this example, we're going to show a cleaning business, and here you can see all these like house cleaner type posts. What's really awesome about Syndr is that we scan so fast that you see this really relevant post. When we go to see it, we can see the post, but basically we caught the post so fast the person deleted it right after. So that's fine. We can click on another one of these and see, okay, apartment cleaner recommendations. So we see all these relevant posts, and we can create a task for them to follow up later. So like maybe we say follow up or something. So we can create a task. We can also assign a due date to that. We can also write any notes. So like in this case, maybe we say, I don't know, I need to respond from XYZ account. Maybe you have your own pool of high karma accounts, and that's great. So you're able to add notes, and you're also able to add tags. So in this case, maybe you've already responded to them, so we can just tag them as that. And we can also filter by these as well. One other thing that is really cool that I think is probably one of the most useful features of the tool is this Reddit SEO tool, where we will run scans for high ranking threads on Google. So you can see this has run multiple times already. It runs once a week. And for this cleaning business, it will find high ranking Reddit threads that basically it will find them for the specified keyword, but also related keywords. So in this case, we're looking for house cleaner Seattle, house cleaners Tacoma. That's all great. We get the estimated traffic of each of these threads. And we're also able to see related keywords that people are actively searching for. So in this case, people are actively searching for deep house cleaner Seattle. They're specifically searching for house cleaner Seattle prices, house cleaner Seattle Reddit. People are specifically appending Reddit to their queries to find answers, basically. And what's really cool is that now you can see here that this specific Reddit thread is ranking number 3 for this query. So that is incredibly useful to see, how Reddit threads are being placed within your own search queries. So that, like, this is probably one of the most useful things where you can start stealing traffic today. So if I were to come in here, this would be like one of my top threads that I would want to comment on basically. And here, let me move my little bubble here. We can go to the thread and comment on this because this is number one for the query house cleaners Tacoma. The keyword itself is getting 880 traffic volume per month, but the thread itself across all of the keywords that it ranks for, it gets around 1400. So this is very, very highly valuable. And so you can imagine for like any niche, for whatever keywords you're looking at, it will be able to scan across all the keywords and related keywords and be able to quickly identify every single week the most high value threads you should be focusing on. The other thing we have, so I already mentioned tasks. So tasks are pretty much how we stay on top of things here. Because there's sometimes a lot of operations, it might be kind of difficult. And here, very simple task management system. The other thing I wanted to point out is this thread monitor tool. So this is really, really great for keeping track of your comments over time. So we use this internally with some of our clients as well when we're making reports out to them. Where we're able to keep track of the number of upvotes, the position of the comment within a thread. So in this case, this one's number one, right? We can open this on Reddit. We can see house cleaning services in Seattle sorted by best. This is the top one. So that's great. We're tracking that position over time and making sure we don't lose our rankings within threads. The last but not least, in terms of Reddit, we have this tool, as I mentioned before, we can order comments from our pool of high karma accounts, and this is how you do that. You can enter in any URL. So let's say you enter in this one, analyze, and then we'll continue to order form. Here you can type out your comment, and you can even schedule this for later, or it will just post immediately. And you can also schedule the number of upvotes. So if you want to add 50 upvotes, you can totally do that. And you can customize this however you'd like. So these are all the Reddit specific features we have. And this has worked, really great for our clients. And yeah, we also offer a done for you service where we do all of this completely done for you. We'll research the comments. We will place the comments using our aged accounts and, basically drip upvotes to them over time. And that's worked really well for our clients and for ourselves. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm sure we'll talk with you soon.